Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick little video on how to heat seal cookies. When I started doing cookies, I had no idea that this was an actual thing. I didn't know what a heat sealer was, so hopefully this will help some of you out. So what we get is our food safe plastic bags, and we have this machine that heat seals them. So what it basically does is use the heat from the machine to melt the plastic just enough so that it sticks together. This creates a nice seal, an airtight seal, so your cookies stay fresh longer in the bag. This is a great way to give your customers that are handing out cookies to individuals to take home, or even if you want to freeze them ahead of time, you can package them like this, put them in the freezer, and have no problem at all. Your cookies will stay fresh for about 2 weeks on the counter, heat sealed like this. So what you want to do is just place your cookie the way you want it showing in the bag, and you want to push down on the bar and wait for that click. Once you hear that click, it's pretty quick, you can lift it up and you'll have a nice heat seal. You can cut your bags by hand. You can leave a little bit of a tip here that I have a little excess, or you can cut it right down at the line as well, or you can leave a lot of excess and tie it with a ribbon. So you can see my heat sealer has a range of temperature. And what happens is if you put it too low, it won't melt the plastic enough, it won't seal it well. And so you can easily open that up so you won't have a good seal. So now I'll show you if you put it too hot, what will happen. So now that we've cranked up the heat, I'm going to go ahead and do another example here. And you see it takes a second or two longer. And now when I pull my bag off, it's completely melted through the bag and it's created, a big mess here. So you definitely don't want that. So usually I start with the heat a little bit warmer, a little bit closer to the red zone for the first few bags. And if I start to notice that the plastic is starting to melt or it's getting too hot, I'll lower the temperature. But normally you would have to start a little bit warmer, and as you use it more and more and you get through the order, especially if you have a lot of cookies, you would want to turn down the temperature after a little while as it does get pretty hot. The heat sealer you can use almost instantly. You plug it in, give it a few minutes, and it warms up pretty quick. And that's all that's to it. I hope this helps you guys out, especially if you have orders to pack or you're starting your new business. This is a great way to look a lot professional. You can add tags to it. You can tie it with ribbon. It really takes your cookies to the next level. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned as I will be coming up with another tutorial on how I package my cookies from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Happy baking!